Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. You can tell from the thumbnail I have my Ipsy PR box for March. I am filming this on March 1st, which is what day of the week? Saturday. And you're going to see this on Monday. So hopefully you've picked your items, you've selected your boost if you get the beauty boost. I think for the $15 extra, I think there's tax and stuff on it, so it's like 16 and change. It's so worth it because you can get some really good beauty boost products. So I have the Ipsy box, and then I also have a bag from Boom Beauty. Always happy to be on their PR. I think they have some really great products. They sent me a little thing here. Let me see. And then a little card. So let's open this up. A little thank you card. They're always so sweet. Always handwritten. Always beautiful. It says, "Hi Maureen, you are the heart of our community and we're so grateful for you. Enjoy this gift of Boom Nectar, our luxurious glow boosting serum crafted with 16 potent botanicals because you deserve the very best. With love, the Boom Beauty team." I always save this kind of stuff. I save anything I get from any of you. And I always just put these in my drawer and save them. I think that they're, you know, somebody took the time to do that. I'm going to keep them. I just put it with all my, like my yearly calendars. I keep all that stuff in there. Let's see what this, I don't think, I mean, I love their mascara. Some of their skincare is phenomenal. Nice, you know, wrapped up nice and nice tissue. Don't ever say no to a Boom product because I mean, I heard of them prior to me getting them in PR, and I'm thinking, oh, you know, is that for, like, you know, not necessarily for me. Like, when it comes to some of their makeup, I use it in addition to my foundation. You know, I use their mascara when I wear mascara, and their Boom stick, like blush and things like that. I know that a lot of stuff that you see out there on Boom Beauty is more like a clean face and you enhancing your natural beauty with their products. If I'm not, like, weekend, do I have a little bit of makeup on today? Yeah. I have a real light gloss from, I think, Galactic, you know, brows, and really not much else. It's more of like clean face and using their products just to enhance. Well, I still use their products to enhance, but I still have, like, my powder foundation on. So here is their Boom Nectar. Decent size package. Let me see. And Oreo's right off to the side. She's just, I had something on her bed. So then she came over to, so this is what it looks like. It's an eye serum, right? Face and eye serum. Let's see. It's locked. Is it turn? Yep, it turns to lock. So it's, you know, like a yellowish color. Reason for a dark bottle is there because, you know, probably there's vitamin C in there, I would assume, or E, something. That feels nice. It's, you know, goes in. Let's just see how long it takes. Let me see. There has to be made with all natural ingredients. Shake well, which I did not do, but what is in there for the dark? I have a magnifier here. Does give you all the ingredients. But there has to be a vitamin in there. That's usually the dark bottle. So I did not shake it well, but I will when I continue to use it. And it's, you know, obviously for a moisturizing face and eye serum, I would probably use that at night. Put that on the floor. I just want to see if something feels greasy, then that is like a turn off for me. What is the scent? I can smell a light scent, but it's, you know, it's absorbing. My hands are dry. Really should put some on the other hand too. Just, my left hand always looks better than my right hand. So I'm excited to give that one some love. And let's see what is in here. I just slipped the tape before I started. The Boxycharm theme for March is main character energy. So that's nice. Did any of you shop the sale? I think that happened already, the beginning, or it is happening. And you can scan to learn about the products in your box. I don't need to do that. I think most of us can figure it out if you're a beauty enthusiast of any kind, or even a beginner. But you can always go on the Ipsy site and click on the products, and it tells you how to use it, the ingredients, all that good stuff. So let's start with the first thing that I see. And this is Drunk Elephant Eau Blanche Rosy Drops right here. I think I've had these in the past and wasn't necessarily a fan. I just am not a huge fan in liquid blush. Like I'll use a cream or a stick. So I'm not going to open these, and you have to shake these well. And I would put something like this on my hand and then take my brush into it and go on my face. But these, I'm not a fan of these. So these I will share right off the bat. And it does give you a little tiny information card in there. So we'll put that back. Next is from, why can't I think of the woman's name that owns Supergoop? Help me out here, people. Oh, I just saw a big ad for Supergoop. I cannot think of her name. I can picture her face, but can't picture her name. Supergoop, the unseen sunscreen, SPF 40. Always, a good thing to do, to wear 365 days a year, just because you should always put sunscreen under your makeup. I like when the sunscreen is like sunscreen and like moisturizer, like it's all in one. It's included in, rest is 2 steps, but this is a nice product. I like Supergoop. I might share that with my niece. She's out a lot more into the elements. If I'm in the house, am I going to put sunscreen on? No. Today I don't have it on. I don't plan on going out. I have a lot to do today. So the next thing was really good, and this is from Verb, and this is Fullness and Light Hold Weightless Texture Volume Dry Texture Spray. Love a texture spray. Don't know, I'd have to read. Sometimes they're heat protectant also. This is really nice. Nice spray. Can't smell anything. I have one from Amika, but I can't figure out how to get the top, because it looks like it turns and the spray top pops up. I just can't figure out how to do it. I'm like, I am not playing around with it. I do have texture sprays, but I'm excited for this. I'm trying to think if this was in choice for this morning. It might have been, but I didn't pick it because I know I have that Amika one, but now I'm happy to have it in here. Let's do this next. I'll put something in a little bubble envelope. Dermalectives. What are you? Now, this is going to be expensive. Dermalectives is not a cheap brand. Eye Lifting Collagen Solution. Whoa. That is going to be expensive. Apply a small amount around the eyes. Avoid contact. Well, obviously, you avoid contact. So this is what it looks like. Bougie. And this has got a seal on it. So we'll just break that seal. Take that off. So it is a pump. I am not wasting this right here. Beautiful. Beautiful packaging. Love. I'll get rid of this. I don't see the bubble stuff. And the last thing in my box here, PR box, is Laura Geller's palette. I think that was a choice. Was that a choice also this morning? I picked my choice items. I don't think I picked this. And this is Candy Cravings 17 multi-finish eyeshadows, 1 highlighter, 1 blush. Let's open. Sealed, right? Sealed. Let's open this up and take a look. I didn't pick it. Normally I would always pick a palette, but I think there was just too much there for me to pick from that I didn't choose the palette. But that's okay. I have it here. Nice big long palette. Let's take a look. Ooh. Wow. Usually her shields are like down on the ends. Let me get this off so I can just take it to the side. Let's block the mirror. Wow, this is a beautiful palette. Oops, right here. So you have your highlighter and your blush and then your shadows. But the shadows are all very wearable. I like the little bit of that lilac, that purpley. Just, it's not real purple. It's not like a grape purple. It's super light. I love all the neutrals. Oh, this is really pretty. I like the blush because that's like a coral. I like pinks, corals, like peachy type blushes, personally. Excuse me. Not like the Barbie doll pink. If I do that, I put it on my brush and then I'll just, usually, like sometimes I'll use my makeup eraser and just like take some of it off and dab it because I don't want to look like a clown. But, oh, that's really pretty. So if you have an option, you know, if you didn't choose that, you might be able to buy it in like add-ons. I'm really not sure. I didn't venture through any of that stuff, but that's really, really pretty. I do like that. All this good stuff. So not bad for spoilers. I have the Laura Geller palette, the Verb finishing spray, the Super Goop. Why can't I think of her name? I'm going to have to. Drunk Elephant, and then the Derm Electives. All right, now I have my phone here. Oh, I can give you prices. Super Goop. Who is the face of Super Goop? Why can I not picture her? I mean, I can picture her face, but that's about it. Oh, except, what is her name? I know you guys are probably screaming it in the he said accept. Why can I not? Super Goop owner. I can picture. What is her name? Super Goop owner. Oh, is she not the owner? Maybe she's the CEO. No, why did I think that she was a movie star? Gwyneth Paltrow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Super Goop is part of Gwyneth Paltrow's lifestyle company. Goop, but it's not. Super Goop is a son's. I don't know. I think she has something to do with it. I don't think she's the owner of it, though. It didn't say that in online. So let me tell you prices of everything. I do have. Was it screenshots? No, I think it was camera. Let me tell you. I can tell you what I chose. Let's go that route for my box. Am I getting? Oh, I'm getting the palette. All right, I am so messed up here. Let me come back in here. Let me tell you. The Verb texture spray is $20. All right, $20. The Laura Geller palette is $25. I think I am getting that in my box, so I'll share one. Super Goop sunscreen's $38. Derm Electives. I know this is expensive. The brand is expensive, but anybody want to take a quick guess before I tell you? $180. Thank you, Boxycharm. Glad to have it because there's no way I'd be buying that. And then the Drunk Elephant is $39. Now let me tell you what I chose. What I chose is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch Press Powder. I chose the Fenty Beauty Blush and Poppin', I think it was. Petal Poppin'. I chose the Origins Brightening Eye Cream. I love that. And then my boost was Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Instant Glow Moisturizer. I've had that in the past and do like it. And then the items that they chose, right? I chose 3. 1, 2, 3. And they chose, where are their choices? Oh my goodness. Okay, they chose for me the Laura, oh, come on people. The Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. And then Shades by Shan, the Brow Duo. So I'll see what that's about. So I'm excited to get my box also. And I usually get my boxes pretty quick. Let me tell you, this Boom product could still smell a little bit more like a nectary, like a little like fruity floral. Real light though. But man, that feels nice. I like that. I'm excited. So I'm excited for this box. I will share, I am getting the palette. So I will share the Laura Geller palette. I will share these because I don't like them. I tried them in the past. I decluttered them. This I'll probably give to my niece when I see her. I know she's real big on sunscreen all the time. I don't blame her. She's a scientist. She knows the damage. I mean, we should all know the damage, but she definitely knows the damage. So that is my spoilers. I think great products. I did, like I said, when I was choosing my own, the products were pretty good. I mean, and the add-ons, you could get Makeup by Mario foundation if they have your shade. They had lots of good stuff for add-ons if you're interested. And I think the Makeup by Mario foundation was $25. I don't know what it is to purchase from his website, but if you wanted to give it a try, even, you know, I mean, if it's a shade is close enough, you can fix it with bronzer, contour, with your blush. You can, you know, mix it with another, you know, similar, you know, if it's oil-based, mix it with an oil-based foundation. If it's a water-based foundation, mix it with a water-based foundation. Don't do opposites because it's going to pill. It's going to separate and you're not going to like your foundation. But, and like your primers, do the same thing, you know, because they have oil-based primers and they have water-based primers. So, you know, just be mindful of keeping your products the same to have a good base for your face. And I didn't mean to rhyme that, but it just happened that way. I'm so sorry. So Boxycharm Main Character Energy. Let me know your thoughts. I think an excellent PR box. And I generally am excited for my box. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. And I look forward to the next video. And I'll catch you all then. Bye for now.